Hey guys, today we have the Spigen Tough Armor Pro. This is for the iPad Pro 12.9 5th generation. And then we have a, looks like it is a Sparin tempered glass screen protector. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so just got my wife's iPad Pro 12.9 and as you guys know, this thing is nice and we just want to keep it looking nice. These last you a really long time, iPad Pros. If you get the newest generation, they're going to last you a really long time. They treat you as well as you treat them. So we want to make sure that they're very well protected. I have had a good experience with the Tough Armor Pro. It's actually what I'm rocking on my S7 Plus, my Tab S7 Plus. And then tempered glass, like I've said in my other videos, most tempered glass screen protectors are actually not too bad. So first things first, I do want to unbox this case. So this is, like I said, the Tough Armor Pro. It does say it's military grade and drop tested. And if you know the case, it's actually pretty rugged. As you guys can see, the cool thing about this one is it has a kickstand that is built in, which is really nice. Installation is really easy, at least it was for the other one. Basically you put one side in and then the other one just presses right in, so it's not like a two-part case or anything annoying like that. It says we got air cushion technology, and there's also a spot for the S Pen, or for the S Pen for the Tab S7, or if you get an Apple Pencil for the iPad Pro, which is pretty cool. You'd be surprised how valuable that actually is, especially if you use that. For the removal, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just press one side off and then the rest kind of just peels apart. It's pretty easy. It is a slim design, so it's not a big bulky case, but it's protective at the same time. So let's jump into this real quick. Oh, and actually, let me show you, let me pull up how much it was here. I got this one on Amazon, so it was actually a really nice deal when I bought it here. Let me look up my orders here. I know. I should have had, Chris, you should have had this ready. What's wrong with you? Aren't you a pro? I'm not a pro, y'all. Okay? I'm a consumer just like you guys. Bought this a long time ago too. Just haven't put it on. Whatever, I can't find it, so I will just put the details in the description. So if you guys want to see exactly how much it was, I believe it was $35 and the screen protector was like 20 something. So that's this. Let's open it already. Come on. Oh god, not again. Come on, Spigen, you too? Okay, what's with the tape, yo? Yo, what's with the tape? Okay. Had to go beast mode there for a second. So here comes instructions. What if my kickstand comes off? Don't worry. Okay, I'm not worried. Anyways, we'll throw this off to the side, and this is the case, y'all. So this is the Spigen right here. This is how the kickstand goes. Now the kickstand is kind of funny. So as you can see, it slides out. If you want to put it down more, then you press that. Boom. It snaps in, kind of weird. There's that. So it's got this rugged design. I like this because it almost looks like the UAG, but it's not the UAG price. UAG cases are pretty pricey. And it is a two-part case, like I said, but you don't have to peel it apart to put this on, at least not on the S7. So let's slap this in. Oh, that's the S Pen, or the Apple Pencil holder. I swear I'm gonna keep messing it up, but whatever. So it says just pop in one side, and then, actually let's do this side first. Let's do this side here. Do I have it in? Yep, I do. Okay. Oh my god, is this a two-part? No. Okay, there it is. So it fits in pretty snug. So once you have it in, you just want to make sure you got everything, and there it is. Boom. Now, of course, if you drop this, it looks like it's gonna be all right. It's pretty rugged. The camera is recessed, so if you drop this like that, it's gonna be good. It's very grippy, so this is not something that's gonna be slippery. It feels nice. Let's hear the buttons. Okay, tactile on that. Let's do that. Let's see here. Yeah, buttons are tactile. So overall, looks like everything lines up. There's a cutout for the microphone that lines up. Speakers on the bottom, if it focuses. That's cut out properly. I don't know how many speakers this thing has, but another 2. That's got 4, I'm kidding. A couple more microphones that are cut out. Overall, it looks like a really, really nice case. Of course, we knew that already. But let me take this out, because we're gonna put the tempered glass screen protector. So let me put this off to the side for now. Get this, move my phone. All right, so we're gonna do this thing live. We got my unboxing knife for this one. Shout out to Jason. Congratulations, you know on what. So here it is. Let me open this up here. Put my blade away so I don't chop my fingers off. That would not, I mean, it'd be good content for you guys, not for me. Oh, let me pull it out again because I need the blade again. Okay, Sparin. Come on. Oh! Okay. So we'll put that up there. Sparin, again, kind of the same thing that all tempered glasses say. 9H on the hardness scale. Explosion proof if you're taking this to some type of explosion. Oleophobic coating, which is good. Scratch and weather resistant, or I'm sorry, and wear resistant. High definition, which just means it's clear. And then nano plating technology, I guess it's easier to control or use fingerprint sensitivity wise. So that's that. This stuff, oh look, I didn't even notice that when I bought it, but it comes with the tempered glass for the camera, which is pretty cool. This we will need, so we'll put this off to the side. We'll put that off to the side as well too. Now this comes with 2 bullets, so if you mess one up, you break one, you shatter one, you got another one. So we're gonna leave one in there, file this off over here, and now we gotta install this live in front of you guys. Pretty self-explanatory. Sorry, I like that noise. Anyways, it just peels off. It looks like it just peels off. One peel, you stick it on, bada bing, bada boom. That's how it is. Now, this I'm sure is like all the other ones. Wet wipe, dry wipe, dust absorbing stickers. You can use the guide stickers that some of these things have. I usually don't. Installation manual, tempered glass screen protector. You can read that if you need that. Okay, so there's 2, one for each. So we're gonna use one. The dry cloth. And then these are your guide stickers and then your dust absorbing sticker. So we'll need one of these, and then we'll save that one for if we ever need to do another one. Okay. Let me focus up now and get to working on this. So this, bing, rip this thing open. Guys, whenever you're doing tempered glass, remember, your preparation is the most important part. This part right here. Cleaning it, wax on, wax off. Because you'll just get random little dust particles that just pop up to the party uninvited whenever you're trying to put the tempered glass on. So this part, believe it or not, is the most important part, okay? You want to get it very wet. It's okay, that way you get as much of this, I don't know what it is, it doesn't smell like alcohol. This one smells like, it just smells like clean. Like some type of like, I don't know, like some soap or something. is, oh my god, just grab it once it's peeled off, and let's see here. Screen protector is like edge to edge. What the hell? No. Test fit. I feel like it's off a little bit. If you feel like it's off, it's okay to abort mission. Good. I think we're good. Goodness. Let's see. Come on. Come on. And if you lay it down correctly, you'll have some bubbles. Oh no, that might be a dust bubble actually. You might have some bubbles, but they're just air pockets. So what I like to do is you can squeegee them out with your finger. If there's no dust, they'll just squeeze out pretty easy. So if you, whoa, no pictures please, paparazzi. See, that one is a dust particle. Telling you, man, it's just that one dust particle that ruins the whole party. Just the one. So what you can do, although it's not recommended, is peel up all right. Woo! Man, surgery was successful. Bubble-free installation. Now, last but not least, we need to check to see if it is case friendly. It better be, dude. If it's not case friendly, it's gonna suck. This may not be, honestly. It is case friendly. It's case friendly, y'all. Perfect. That's it. Just wanted to show you guys that. It is case friendly. It's bubble free. It's on there. Don't gotta be perfect. Just gotta get it done. But that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to show you guys. With that being said, please don't forget to drop a like, a comment, and stay posted for the announcement here coming up in the next couple days. We are so close to 500 subscribers, but with that being said, the goal is 1,000. Thank you guys so much for the love and support, and I can't wait to do even cooler videos. I have a ton of ideas, but with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.